Good afternoon guys, hope you're all well. So today's video is all about this 2019 DB11 Volante, or Volante. It's got an E on the end, so anyway. The boys have been fitting the wireless and wired Apple CarPlay system to this vehicle today, and this particular system, because it's much newer technology, allows you to utilize and retain the factory microphone, as well as then all of it coming out onto the fixed screen for the media system. Now this car's come into us already with 360 camera system, which means that normally with all of the Aston Martins we work on, we are fitting a front camera or a reversing camera, but not on this one. It all fits in and works nicely, and the dashboard on this is a lot more refined. But as you'll see during the video, the boys have had really good fun getting access to the back of the main radio drive and accessing then the quad lock to be able to interact with the interface that we have to hide away. So yeah, time, care, bit of pride, and bit of nimble fingeredness needs to be shown on this particular install. So not for the faint-hearted, but it's the reason why people come to us. So jump inside and we'll show you it all up on the screen working. Right, sat in the driver's seat now. Really nice, stylish cockpit in here. It just looks like it's worth money, and that's what you want when you're paying the kind of money for Aston Martin's hand-built. So yeah, you want to get that look and feel. The screen is an 8-inch screen. It's not touch screen, but it's all built in, and it's been positioned nicely as if it's an afterthought in a way, but it's not motorized like the previous model, because they also suffered from being a little bit small and unreliable. So at the moment we're on the media system. If I press down here, I don't know if Sammy can see this, but all the controls are touch capacitive down here, and I'm just going to press the media button, which then takes us to the main screen. Using the jog wheel, which a lot of cars have now, I can scroll down to the bottom row and I press audio video, but you need to make sure that the vehicle is in aux for the Apple CarPlay audio to work. And then I'm going to press and hold the return key, which then switches over the video screen like you would on your TV or other sources to the Apple CarPlay. Obviously we drive on the right hand side, so the menu is now on the right hand side, unlike many other videos that I've seen on YouTube where they don't support it. It's only for left hand drive, which looks a little bit on the naff side. Microphone is all built in, as I said, retaining the factory one, which is neat, because there's nothing worse than having an unsightly microphone fitted. And as long as you're in aux mode or had the aux activated, then the CarPlay is functional like so. Now, if I was to scroll up with the jog wheel, and it literally is a joystick but a large jog wheel, you can then go back to all of your options. You can scroll down, easy to select. There's no way of actually, you have to use that rotary controller for you to be able to get through the Apple CarPlay, but it's not difficult. Once you've figured out how to use it, it's not difficult to navigate. So we can scroll down through. Let's go into Google Maps, for instance. There we go, Google Maps loaded up on the screen. And you know, the biggest gripe of many customers that owns cars like this is that they're great to drive, they look good, they're just lacking in mod cons, and this is where we come in. The last model like this that we did, chap drove all the way down from the north of the UK, and we did an extensive sound system upgrade on that. So if you've got a car like this and you want Apple CarPlay, wireless and wired, then do get in touch, but also especially if you want a better audio, because that particular model was a very basic specification, didn't have an amplifier. As part of the installation, the boys will remove the factory fitted media pack. We supply and fit a modified version of this with a single USB socket that goes in here. We take this as a Part X and send that back to be then reworked on. And that single USB socket is for when you want to charge your phone and or use the wired aspect of Apple CarPlay. So let's just go back to the main menu. So you can go into here, let's just scroll down. Now Richard's phone is connected, he uses Apple Music, not Spotify. So we can go into here and let's just, well, we can't play it because of royalties with YouTube, but you can see how easy it is to operate. So if you've got a vehicle like this and you want wireless or wired Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, you want it to seamlessly integrate with your vehicle without any wired controllers, buttons, switches and other such stuff, which the previous model does have, then please do get in touch with us. Our website link's in the bio. We have got a few Aston Martin videos on our channel, so check those out too. But most importantly, if you've got any questions, then get in touch with us via the contact form. We'll ask you for some pictures and then we can confirm everything with an email and a quotation and everything else. So as usual guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow us on social media and catch up with the next video.